Warburg Bank is a very niche bank in Kuwait, established in 2010. Warburg Bank currently running 13 branches, and in the pipeline there's still extension. We're going faster into digitizing services and grabbing customers to mobile applications, and they make their journey much easier for them. The governance of financial services are very strict when it comes to customer data protection, security levels implementation. Deployments are something that's very much binded to the hypervisor that we're looking at. The adaptability of the Nutanix platform with the hypervisor, this is what gives the edge, understanding the hypervisor running underneath, getting it interacted. That was the thing that really showed at that time that Nutanix are doing a good research with the back-to-back vendors, even for the non-related tickets for the operating system issues. And this is how solid they are. It was started in a software-defined storage. Now it ended up in a full IT automation and lifecycle management. And now things has moved tremendously from that specific layer up to what we have been doing right now in Warburg Bank, is digitizing our online banking services through the Nutanix platforms. The immediate notice that you get after the implementation of Nutanix is the speed. The first thing that you find out that, oh my goodness, I just created that server with all of this storage and just provisioned it that fast. That was something. The way people have designed the GUI for the Prism Central, when you look into it and you just get all of this login screen where you just need you put your credential. These people have put over there a very simple thing that makes you supplementally think that you are sitting in front of the simplest ever infrastructure as a platform being there. And that was a dramatic mind shift. Nutanix played a very critical role in the mobile banking application. The core services of the mobile banking services is running on top of Nutanix. We've been utilizing Calm for automation and provisioning. We've been utilizing Carbon for Kubernetes management and Docker management. When you see the pipeline for the mobile banking application that's built on that kind of a platform, people now take it for granted. So they just want to stack features and keep things running because they have inherited the stability of the platform. Investment with Nutanix is a strategic technology partner for Warburg Bank.